Hi, this is Carrie from Cookbook Divas, and I don't know how to pronounce the name of this cookbook. I'm gonna say Hazana, but it could be Hazana. Shoot! It is a Jewish vegetarian cookbook, and I'm very excited because I'm vegetarian. I'm not Jewish, but I have Jewish friends that I cook for, and they love eating at my house because my food is technically kosher. I mean, a rabbi hasn't prayed over it, but there's no meat anywhere. I read ingredients labels anally. I really like Mediterranean food, so as I was flipping through this book, I was excited to see so many Mediterranean foods. Let's get right into it. Beautiful photography right off the bat. Yay! The author is Paula Gavin. Paula? Ooh, artichokes. Okay. Let's take a look at the table of contents really quick. Appetizers and salads, soups, pasta and dumplings, grains, main courses, eggs, vegetables, and desserts. Okay, that's pretty straightforward. Of course, there's going to be an introduction in every possible cookbook. I'm loving the food photography. Oh, there's a little intro about Jewish holidays and festivals. Rosh Hashanah, Shabbat, Yom Kippur, Hanukkah, Tu B'Shavat. Oh, it's going on in Purim, so it's going to probably talk about the foods that need to tie into them. Jewish history and culture, Austria, maybe we'll have some Austrian recipes, Czech and Slovak republics, Egypt, France, Germany, Hungary, Iran, Persia, Iraq, Italy, Morocco, wow. There's going to be, Romania, Poland, Lithuania, Syria. So there's going to be lots of interesting, not fusion, but just all the cultures. Sabbath artichoke salad is the first recipe I'm checking out. Yum! I love artichokes. Jewish caponata. What makes it different than regular caponata? Eggplants. Yeah, an onion, celery, carrot, right. Plum tomatoes, green olives, salted capers, basil leaves, wine vinegar, sugar, black pepper, and a hard-boiled egg. Well, I don't know what's Jewish about that, but it sounds good. Alright, here's a couple recipes with no photo. I'm not a fan of that. I want to see a picture of every possible dish, but this food photography is beautiful enough. I can stop complaining. Beetroot salad with pomegranate molasses and sesame seeds. Yum. Okay, fair enough. We don't need a picture of hummus. We all know what hummus looks like. This recipe is for hummus with whole chickpeas and sumac. Liptoy cheese. I don't know what that is. Sephardic cheese and parsley pastries. See, I would have guessed it was spanakopita, but yum. I bet those are not too hard to make once you get past the difficult pastry part. Sweet and sour small white onions. Yeah, see, I wouldn't have thought to serve that as a side dish. That's pretty cool. I'm very intrigued. I'm just in the beginning of the book. Here's something that I often eat. Parsley, tomato, and bulgur salad with fresh mint, otherwise known as tabbouleh. Of course they have that recipe in this book. Beautiful photography. I'm going to skip over, North African broad bean soup, garlic soup, cauliflower soup, wild mushroom and barley soup. So that's all some comfort foods and stuff I probably have in my other cookbooks too. So far this isn't too different from other Mediterranean cookbooks that I have. White bean soup with tomatoes and chili. Yeah, I don't really need a recipe. I kind of wing it on that one. Pumpkin soup with yogurt and chives. Ashkenazi split pea soup. Not a lot of history about why it's Ashkenazi. Okay, but notice that they're saying the country that the recipe kind of originated in or is known for or cooked in this case, Germany and Austria. Tagliatelle with artichokes. See, I didn't know that Jewish people did a lot of pasta, but of course they did if they were living in Italy for hundreds of years. Fine. Pasta. Wholemeal spaghetti with leeks, peppers, and cherry tomatoes. Okay, I have lots of spaghetti recipes. Not sure how it's uniquely Jewish. Spinach and ricotta ravioli with basil walnut pesto. I have hundreds of recipes for that. Moving on. Okay, baked green lasagna with wild mushrooms. I don't have any recipes for that. That sounds really intriguing. I really like that. Skipping ahead because I can't show you the whole book. Venetian polenta pie. I am intrigued. Very intrigued. Maybe I just love everything about Venice. Skipping ahead, mushroom strudel. Yum. I thought it was going to say it was from Germany because it said strudel. It says Hungary. It's making me very hungry to look at. Okay, sorry. Potato and spinach croquettes. Okay, not very inventive. Yum. Vegetable gratin. Okay. Scrambled eggs with onions. I'm skipping ahead. Baked artichoke, aubergine, and white cheese frittata. Yum. Getting into the vegetable section. Okay, artichoke and broad bean tagine with green olives and ginger. That's getting a little complicated. Shall I skip ahead to the desserts before we finish looking at this Jewish cookbook? It's a tiny, tiny little section of the book. Okay. Whoa, black cherry cake. That would have been fabulous to have a picture of. But instead we have a picture of a boring beige almond sponge cake, which I'm sure is delicious. Poppy seed tart. Okay. There we go. That's pretty. Chocolate hazelnut cake. Pear and walnut strudel. Peppernuts, otherwise known as, I'm not going to try to pronounce it, Germany. Okay. Pfeffernuss. I don't know. Dried apricot. Okay. A few desserts. Ashkenazi matzo meal fritters. If I'm going to go that much work, I'm probably going to make donuts. Pomegranate salad. Ooh, yum. So that is an overview of Hazana Jewish Vegetarian Cooking. Pretty cool. You see that I got it from my library. Not sure I would add this to my bookshelf. I don't have a lot of room. It's pretty thick. I'm going to read through it on my own a little bit and see how long I would keep it around. And I'll try making a couple things out of it. But enough of these recipes are things I already have in my German, Italian, and Mediterranean cookbooks. Might not be any special, but I'm going to browse through and see. If you own this cookbook and you're enjoying it, let me know what you've made from it in the comments below the video. Thanks for watching.